Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Apple iPad 9.7, that is the 5th generation Apple iPad, which was brought from Amazon. Actually it is a refurbished product, that is Amazon renewed product. So let us see the unboxing video. What are the contents inside it? Actually this product is Amazon renewed, so the package will come without seal. So see, this is the Apple iPad 9.7, that is 5th generation Apple iPad. So they have given something else. Here they have, see, Apple iPad Wi-Fi plus cellular model and 32 GB internal storage. It will support 4G, so serial number, everything they have given. Actually the cost of this one is nearly 25,000. Actually it is comes with both cellular and Wi-Fi, so it will support the Apple SIM also. So let us see. This is the iPad. Keep it side. We will see what are the contents inside the box. So this is the manual. In this we will get only ejector pin, nothing is there, and the Apple cable. The cable looks nice, so it is a lightning cable to USB. So keep it there, nothing is there. They have not given the adapter, so we have to buy separate the adapter. Actually it is a renewed product now. They will include some accessories, not all accessories, so you have to buy it. So keep it that side. This is the iPad. See, nothing is, no marks or no stains or no dents are there, so looking good, everything looking good. So actually it is a nice iPad, so we'll get with the Wi-Fi plus 4G. So let us see the physical overview of this tab. In the top you will get the microphone, primary microphone, and here you will get the power button. This is the audio jack. In the right side you will get the volume up and down, that is volume control, and here you will get the SIM ejector. So SIM, so we will see this is supports nano SIM. So or you can use either Apple SIM or you can use your own SIM. This side you will get lightning port and 2 stereo speakers. This side nothing is there. So back side you will get camera, that is 8 megapixel camera. Front you will get same 2 megapixel camera. Just switch on this tab. Let's switch on this tablet. So see this, go to settings and about iPad. See the Apple iPad 5th generation, is serial number, everything is, capacity 32 GB. So see, all the apps are there. This is the iPad 5th generation. So they have software. What is the software? You will get it. So here, so the setting, software update. No, nothing is there. So here, iPad storage. You will get, see, out of 32 GB, you will get 10.4 GB. So about you will get, so software, it is updated latest version, that is 13.7, Apple iOS 13.7. So it's a very good, nice iPad. Actually, the quality of the Apple products is very good, so don't worry about that products. Quality is very good, and let us see the camera quality. So where is camera? You can camera see. Camera quality is also good. Just see the cable. See, quality is also good. Camera. Actually, it is main for study purpose and the business purposes. So all apps included latest update, iOS update. So in this, we will use the data that is 4G supported. So you can use any SIM, either Apple SIM or different SIM. So FaceTime camera is the CD FaceTime camera. This is the FaceTime camera. That's all. So this is the Amazon renewed product. I will provide the link in the below description if you want to buy it. So buy it. So actually the product is very good and nice. I think renewed product will be some dents and everything, but in this there are no dents and looking very nice. There are no dents, looking very nice. So see the notification panel. Here the screen brightness, so volume, music control, Wi-Fi and everything. Is that scan QR code. So it will be updated to the latest update, iOS 13.7. So like this, I will upload lot more videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. After using this laptop for few days, I will provide the review on this, how the battery life and performance of this and software improvements. So if anything else is there. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.